Hello and welcome to all the students. Today's our topic is the density of substance and relative density. Here two formula. First, that is density. What is called density? Density formula is mass per unit volume, that is called density. So mass of the object divided by volume of the object, that is the density of the given substance or object. The SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. Why? Because what is the unit of mass? Kilogram. So unit of mass is kilogram. And what is the unit of volume? Cubic meter. Yes. So that's why the SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube or cubic meter. The property density is a very useful in deciding the purity of substance. Yes. So density can find out the purity of the substance. The relative density of substance is expressed with respect to the density of water. What is meant by relative density? Relative density is equal to density of substance divided by density of water. Means relative density of every substance can be calculated with respect to the density of water. So that's why the formula of relative density is density of substance upon density of water. This being a ratio of two equal physical quantities, it has no unit. Now relative density has no unit. Why? Because density of substance, its unit is kilogram per meter cube. Again divided by density of water, kilogram per meter cube. So both are same, they are cancel each other. Therefore relative density do not have unit. Yes, it don't have unit. So these are the two formulas. Remember, density is equal to mass upon volume and relative density is equal to density of substance upon density of water. So on the basis of two formulae, we'll solve the examples related to these topics. So very first, see here, the first, complete the following table. In your textbook also it is given on page number 22. Yes, second table will solve it. Density of metal. Here density of metal is not given, we have to find out. Density of water is given 10 raised to 3 and relative density is 5. Second case, second example, density of metal is given 8.5 into 10 raised to 3. Density of water also given. So here we have to find out the relative density. Yes. Let us consider, suppose this is x. We have to find out. First example. See. In the first case, you just see, first example, relative density is equal to the density of substance upon density of water. This is the formula. Yes. So here what is given? Density of water is given and relative density is given. Means density of water is given and relative density is given. It is given. So relative density is what? Phi is equal to density of water, density of substance is not given. Suppose this is x and density of water is given, that is 10 raised to 3. So solve this expression. So phi is the relative density, x is the density of substance and 10 raised to 3 is the density of water. Now we have to find out this x. So take this 10 raised to 3 to this side. So it will be multiplied to 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Therefore density of a metal is equal to 5 into 10 raised to 3 kilogram meter cube. So what answer will be here? 5 into 10 raised to 3. So here x value is 5 into 10 raised to 3. Second, in the second example, density of metal is given, density of water is given, we have to find out the relative density. So again the formula of relative density is, what is? Relative density is equal to density of substance divided by density of water. So we have to find out this relative density. So density of water is given, what is in the table? 8.5 into 10 raised to 3. Density of water is given 10 raised to 3. So 8.5 into 10 raised to 3 upon 10 raised. This 10 raised to 3 and this 10 raised to 3 cancel each other. So what is remain? 8.5. Therefore, relative density is 8.5. Yes. It has no unit because relative density don't have unit. So these are the two examples. Now next table. Come to the second table by using another formula. Here weight, area and pressure, these are the three. Here weight is not given, means we have to find out weight. Suppose this is x. Weight means force. Weight is called force. Area is given 0.04 and pressure is given 20,000. In second example, weight is given 1500, area is given 500. So we have to find out this pressure. So in the first example we have to find out the weight, and the second we have to find out the pressure. So first, what is given? Area and pressure is given. Yes. See the first example, area and pressure is given. So what is given? F means weight is given. If weight is not given, so force we have to find out. Area is given 0.04. Pressure is given 20,000. So what is the formula? Pressure is equal to force upon area. Remember the formula? Pressure is equal to force upon area. Yes. So what we have to find out? Force means weight we have to find out. Weight means force. So force we have to find out. Bring this A. The A will go to this side, it will be multiply. So force is equal to pressure into area. Putting the value of pressure and area. So pressure is 20,000. What is area? 0.04. So after putting the value, 20,000 into 0.04, multiply. Yes. 20,000 multiplied by 0.04. So the answer will be 800. So force or weight of the substance is 800 Newton. This is the answer. So what will come here? 800 Newton. So here 800. Answer will be 800. Second, in the second case what is given? Here weight is given, area is given, we have to find out the pressure. So how to find the pressure? See, in the second case, pressure is equal to force upon area. Formula, first write down. We have to find out the pressure. Force is given. What is force? 1500. What is area? 500. See here, 1500 upon 500. So this 0 and this 0 cancel. This second 0, this 0 cancel. So what is remain? 15 upon 5. So 15 upon 5 means 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. So 3 Newton per meter square. Therefore, pressure is equal to 3 Newton per meter square. So what will come here? 3. So here will be 3. So these are the examples and we have completed the table with the help of the density and relative density formula. Now we'll solve more examples. In the next video, word problems are also given. So we'll solve this, some examples. You have to write down these examples in your notebook.